today's video, I just want to show you how to use the Bread for Uganda app, how to use the Bread donation app. And alright then, let's go. It's so simple for anyone to use this app. You can just download it on Google Play Store. And for those using the iPhone, you can go to Apple Store. So for my case, I'm using the Google Play Store. Let's go to, I'm using an Android, and so we have to use the Google Play Store. So let us search for the Bread for, it's number 4, Uganda, Bread for Uganda. It's a mobile application. As you can see, currently it has over 1K downloads, 1K plus downloads. You see it has some good reviews and all that. So let's install it. It is installing, let's wait. It is installing, then installing, about to get done, then boom, already installed. So let us now open the Bread for Uganda app and see what it makes. It is opening up. Bread for Uganda app. Bread for Uganda. Okay, it is opening up. Just wait a bit. Then boom, it has opened up. So that's how easy it is. But now we're still continuing. You can, if you have an account already, to access this, for it to open up the dashboard, you have to be having an account opened up with this app. So if you're new, you have to go to sign up here because you're new. If you have already an account that is created, you just go to username, put in your username, go to password, put in the password, then sign in. Then it will take you directly to the app. So personally have an account because I really love donating bread. And okay, let me first show for those who do not have an account ready. You go to sign up here. As you can see, yep, it will just open up, give you a document or a form for you to fill and sign in. Let me see, you put in your name. Let me see, Semakuli John Paul. Then your username, you just put in any, either Paul or either both, any Paul. Okay, let me leave at Paul. Then the email, you can put in any email. You put in any email of yours, the way, because they are going to send information in that email, and then you have to use it. You put in the gender, the state or province where you stay. Let me say Central. City in Central, I will say Kampala. Then the phone number 7078019820. Blood group, if you know your blood group, you can include it. If you don't know, you can include any that you want. Other information, if you have any other information in relation to you that you would like the blood bank to know, of course you have to fill it. Hello, are you still with me? All right. Let's see. Let me see the email we used. If I have it, gmail.com. Then sign. Please fill in the username password, and we didn't fill in the password. Okay. Um, password. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Username, freedom, password, email. All right. Sign in. Jonah created successfully. Now the next task is for us to go to our email account. Where is my email? Then check, because they have sent me an email right now. We are waiting for an email from Brad for Uganda. If it is not coming, then we need to refresh. We need to refresh our account. We're waiting for an email from Bradford, UK. Please take note that if you don't get an email, then that means you cannot seriously log in, because they have to send us an email, that which email we have to actually click in and verify our account. So if you don't get an email from Bradford, Uganda, then that is a problem still. You just have to be patient enough and wait for that email to be sent to you, because it has a link, a verification link, and after that, of course, we shall have to go back and log in. Okay, but I'm still checking for that email. Checking for the email. Finally, it's here. Please verify your email, Bradford, Uganda. You just click this bro link down here. Click here to confirm it. You just click that link, and they will just tell you. You choose the account and continue. Okay. Finally, you can see a notification that successfully verified your email. Then if they have verified us, that's good and well. Let's go back to our app and then log in. Where is our app? Here it is. Which name did you use? We used freedom. And the password was keep me logged in and sign. We are waiting, we're still waiting. Finally, it's gonna open. Wow, congratulations upon you knowing how to use the Bradford Uganda app, how to download it, how to open up an account. Now, I'm gonna show you how you can use this app to help you, your family members, your friends, everyone, to serve humanity. This is the app that was made by the Indian Association of Uganda, in partnership with the Uganda Red Cross Society and the Uganda Blood Bank Transfusion. And I really believe it's changing lives. But if you don't know how to use it, I'm showing you the importances of the app. You see, it even has edit profile. You can edit your profile. You can decide to edit your profile if you want a profile picture, anything you want to change within your information, the blood group, anything you want to change. But now let me go to the dashboard. You see the dashboard has campaigns. When you click campaigns, these are the campaigns. So campaigns, they mean the blood donation activities that have been happening in different places. If you go to completed camps, those are the blood donation activities that were already done, that were completed. We just click that. If you have a stable internet, it will just show you the completed camps already. All right, I don't want to take a lot of time. I just want to show you how this app works so that you can also download it yourself and start using it so that it saves the lives of your people out there, and friends, family, and everyone else to serve humanity. You see, these are the completed camps. You see, those are the locations, different locations they will be showing you. I will get that. When you go to active camps, those are the camps of, the date, the current date we're in. When you go to upcoming camps, still the road, the coming days, let me say tomorrow and the next days. When you say cancel camps, you may not cancel that because you're not an administrator, because there are several accounts. This is a user account, a personal, but there are other accounts like administrator account, like the accounts that are owned by the blood bank, different kinds of accounts. But now let's go to the next item, which is donate blood. You can donate blood using this. So here it depends on the region where you are, depends on the location. Maybe you in Western Uganda, there is Mbarara. If you are in Fort Portal, you just see that there is a regional block in Fort Portal, a regional blood bank in Fort Portal, Buhinga Hospital. If you're in Gulu, there is Gulu, Northern Uganda, Gulu Regional Blood Bank. You can just visit the nearest blood bank. There is Chitovu, Masaka, Arua, Mbali, Nakaselo, which is in Kampala. So easy. You go and donate blood. You can also request blood, not just to donate, but there's an option of you requesting blood in case you need. This is how you request blood. You select the blood group. After selecting the blood group, let me say A+, then you put the location where you are. The location may be Kampala or any other area. So you put in your telephone number and where exactly you can put the hospital where you need the blood banks in your location. Of course, they'll be showing you the blood bank near you and available. So you just click request after that. But I don't want to do this because I don't want to try it and confuse them. Yet I don't need it now. I'm just showing you how to use it. There is emergency request button. This one, it just shows you the urgent blood that is needed, the urgent blood group. Urgent requirement for blood group O+ at Kampala Nakasilo Blood Bank. Please contact this. So if you have that heart of humanity and you see that the time taken without your donation, maybe it has taken 3 months without you donating, you just call that number and then go and save a life. What else have I not talked about? I believe you will learn this app slowly, one by one. All right. Thank you for watching, and bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe to